In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily add an information section to multiple products on your site. If you're managing an online store, keeping your product details up to date and informative is key to ensuring a seamless shopping experience for your customers. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to begin at the heart of your site management, the dashboard. From your site's dashboard, locate and click on the Products section. This is where all of your inventory is displayed. Having a comprehensive view of all your products in one place really makes organizing and updating your information straightforward and efficient. Once you're in the Products section, you'll notice a list of all your products. If there are specific products you want to update, simply check the box next to each one. This functionality is incredibly useful when you need to focus on just a few items rather than your entire inventory, allowing for a more tailored update process. But what if you're planning to update information for all your products at once? Well, there's an easy way to do that too. At the very top left of the product list, you'll find a Master checkbox. By clicking this box, you can select all products in the list. This is a time saver when you're working on a site-wide update, ensuring consistency across your entire product range with just one click. With your product selected, the next step is to head over to the More Actions button. This button is typically located along the top toolbar of your product list and provides a host of options for managing your inventory. Clicking on More Actions will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to choose the option labeled Plus Add Info section. Selecting this will give you the opportunity to create a new section that contains additional details for your products. Whether you need to add sizing information, care instructions, or any other relevant details, this is where you can customize content to enhance your product pages. Now, let's talk about creating the new info section. You'll do this just like you would for a single product. You can add any kind of content you feel would benefit your customers, be it text or tables. This customization allows for clear communication of any critical information that could aid customers in making informed purchasing decisions. Finally, don't forget the all-important last step. Click Save. Saving your changes ensures that all the hard work you've put into updating your product information doesn't go to waste. Always double-check that everything is in order and appears as desired on the live site once saved. So, there you have it. With these steps, managing and updating your product information is both simple and efficient, making it easier than ever to maintain an informative and user-friendly online store. Happy updating!